Hello, Reynaldo. For today, we're going to be working on IEP goal number 1 and number 2. So for IEP goal number 1, Reynaldo will read, listen to a sentence describing an action verb and change the sentence verbally to state the verb's past tense. So for your assignment, locate this worksheet. This should be your second worksheet for your IEP goal number 1. It should look like this. So basically, we're going to change these words, the underlined words, to past tense verbs. Remember, past tense means you add ed at the end of each word. So I'm going to give you a quick example. Today the girl will shower. Yesterday she showered. And you just put ed at the end because you already showered. So work on numbers 2 through 5. And this should be it for your goal number 1. Goal number 2. Reynaldo will underline the pieces of text that gave clues to the inferences. This again is your second worksheet on your IEP goal number 2. It should look like this. So for this particular paragraph, you are going to highlight your clues. You don't have to work on number 1 and number 2. This is not part of your assignment, but it does help. You don't have to do it. I'm only going to grade the highlighting part. So this assignment has 4 short stories. You can practice on 1 or 2 and then test on the rest.